In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your friend's Steam purchase history. Before we begin, a quick but important note. Steam protects user privacy, so you can't actually view another person's purchase history even if they're your friend. What you can do is view your own purchase history, and if you're helping a friend, they'll need to follow these same steps on their own account. With that clarified, let me show you exactly where to find this information. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer or head to the official Steam website in your browser. Sign into your account as you normally would. If you have Steam Guard enabled, complete any verification prompts, make sure you're on the legitimate Steam site or app to keep your account secure, and avoid signing in on shared or public devices if you can. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the screen and click your profile name. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select Account Details. This takes you to your account management area where you'll find information about your Steam wallet, subscriptions, licenses, and other billing related settings. Everything you need to review purchases lives here. On the account details page, find and click the option labeled View Purchase History. This opens a detailed list of your transactions on Steam. You'll see your purchases in chronological order, along with the date of each transaction, the amount spent, and the payment method used. If you've added funds to your Steam wallet, redeemed a gift, or received a refund, those entries will appear here as well. Click any individual item to open its receipt and see more specifics, like the game or content included, tax where applicable, and links to support options. If you ever need help with a particular charge, this is the quickest path to contact Steam support about that exact transaction. If something looks off, double check that you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Keep in mind that regional currency and taxes may affect the totals you see. Also, if you primarily use big picture mode or the mobile app, the wording and layout may look a bit different, but the path is the same: your profile name, account details, then view purchase history. To wrap up, remember that Steam won't let you view a friend's purchase history. For privacy reasons, only the account owner can access it. If a friend needs help, have them open their own view purchase history and share what they're comfortable sharing. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to account details, and open your purchase history. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.